Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify, your go-to channel for everything finance and crypto related. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin using OKX Wallet, one of the most trusted platforms for buying and storing cryptocurrencies. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't downloaded the OKX Wallet app yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for OKX. Install the app and open it once the download is complete. It is also available in the web browser. Once the app is open, you will need to set up an account. If you are new to OKX, tap Sign Up. You will be prompted to enter your email or phone number, create a password, and verify your account through a code sent to your email or phone. After signing up, it's crucial to secure your account. Go to the Settings section, then tap on Security. Here, you can enable two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protection to your account. I highly recommend enabling 2FA for better security. Now that your account is secure, let's deposit funds. From the main dashboard, click on Assets at the bottom of the screen, select Deposit, and choose the fiat currency you want to deposit. OKX supports multiple fiat options including USD, EUR, and more. After selecting your currency, you can choose to deposit using a credit card, bank transfer, or other methods depending on your reason. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your deposit. Once your deposit is confirmed, it's time to buy Bitcoin. Head over to the Buy Crypto section from the main dashboard. Here, you will see multiple cryptocurrencies listed. Select Bitcoin from the list and enter the amount you want to purchase. OKX allows you to buy a fraction of Bitcoin, so don't worry if you are not purchasing a whole Bitcoin. After entering the amount, choose your preferred payment method. You can use the funds you deposited earlier or directly use a debit card or credit card. OKX also supports third-party providers like Simplex, MoonPay, and more for purchasing crypto. Before completing the transaction, make sure to review all the details, the amount of Bitcoin you are purchasing, the exchange rate, and any applicable fees. If everything looks good, hit Buy Now. Your Bitcoin will be added to your OKX wallet shortly after the transaction is confirmed. Once the purchase is complete, you can view your newly purchased Bitcoin by going to the Assets section of the app. Your Bitcoin balance should appear under your wallet. And that's it. You have successfully purchased Bitcoin using the OKX wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Financify, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more crypto tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.